Hey everybody, in Facebook land, this is Amanda Bridges. This is my weekly tools in my toolbox, tool chest, toolkit video that I make. I have been making videos this year and I'm up to video number 34. So I'm real proud of myself that it's not quite the end of 2024. Can't believe it's already the end of 2024. That's just crazy that a quarter of the century has almost gone by of the century, whatever. It's just ridiculous. Anyway, so I have made 33 videos, which is about one a week, and I only have like 6 more to do. After today, it'll be 5 more. And let's see if you can see that. Yeah, there's my little list on my computer that I've been keeping up with of what my topics are and what my tools are that keep my mind off of my situation. And if you've watched any of my videos, you know what what I was diagnosed with and blah blah blah. Okay, so my tool number 34, and I already have 2 of them here at the office and 1 in the car and about 6 of them at my house. And I have 1 that's coming in the mail, and it's what I like using. It's called perfume or body spray. So I have this little perfume. It's a stick that I have at the office, and it's honeysuckle. I think that's what it is. And I just like smelling nice, putting my, if I have an appointment, or if I'm going to church, or, going out to lunch with my husband, then, and then here's another one that I got in St. Augustine, Florida. Let's see. Yep. 2018, and I like it. It's called Island Air, and I got it on vacation. So those are 2 of my perfumes. I just like that, different scents and scents, SCENTS. And then I even have 1 in the car. So, try to spritz up a little bit. And that's what comforts me, where I think I smell good and I'm preparing for the next person I'm meeting or whatever meeting I'm going to. And I don't want to stink up anybody. LOL. And so because that's just what I like to do. So video number 34, tool number 34 are all of my perfumes and body sprays and liquid. I have liquid roll-on, and I have solid, little stick of solid perfume, and then little bitty spray. And that's just me. That's just what I like doing. So that's one of my, might sound crazy or kind of lame, but that's my tool, and it keeps my mind off of what I've been diagnosed with. And it's been 16 months. Hallelujah. And everything is good. So hopefully this will mean something to somebody, because if we're grateful for what we already have, then more things will come to us for us to be grateful for. So that's my video for today. Signing off from Facebook land. I'm at my office, and it's dark outside. It's raining. But anyway, this was fun. Thanks for letting me video tonight about my perfumes and body sprays that I like as my tool in my toolbox. Okay, signing off. See everybody. Bye.